are in the vehicle. I have terribly hoarse today, but we are gonna go to Peggy's Cove, right, guys?
Hey.
Daddy's trying to sleep. Nay? Lyric, give a wave. This is Maji.
Lincoln's having a snack.
Lincoln's having a snack back
yum.
there. Auntie's driving. So yeah, we wanted to hit Peggy's Cove, see the lighthouse, and it is pouring rain outside. Yay! Surprise! That's been our whole trip. So we'll see how much we get to see.
Sounded terrible.
Oh my gosh, I know.
This is Holy Mackerel, the store.
Holy mackerel.
They have created meats. Yeah, we're coming back up this way. Look at all the lobster cages everywhere.
Yeah, so apparently it's like a rule that you do not take somebody's lobster cage. If you do, you go to jail.
You can get big fines.
Big fines and go to jail. That's your go to jail card. There's the lighthouse in the fog.
The tour guide's gonna pull over here.
Yeah,
I don't
there
think
it
we
is.
can park here.
I can hardly see it.
East Cove. There's a sign. Sou'Wester.
Oh my gosh, it's so wet. Holy Toledo's, Peggy's Cove is wet. Guys, right? It's wet. You got another umbrella, thank goodness.
My own one.
Peggy's Cove, welcome. Oh my gosh.
There's a big blow of wind.
Daddy's got the baby.
I had to pick him up because the rain was still getting him.
Oh, poor little guy.
He's just covered in ketchup.
Yeah, I see that. He is covered in ketchup. Caution, caution, caution! The rocks and the ocean can be treacherous, particularly if you wander to the water's edge at low tide and cross the dark, slippery surface covered by the ocean at high tide. Rogue waves can occur during storms, then even distances far from the water can be dangerous when marine conditions are severe. These patterns on the rocks are just so cool. Like, you can see this erosion line, and it's just like, it's just part of the rock. you gotta come up to the little gift shop and see all these cute little books. These are so cute. Be a wilderness detective. Oh, I think Rick would love that. I adore this piece. This is so cute. Shell. Are you dancing? Oh, how to eat a lobster. That's funny. If you stop at Peggy's Cove, you absolutely have to go into the Sou'Wester and the gift shop that's attached to it. This family dining is absolutely incredible. We loved the food here. This is probably one of our top places that we got to eat at. They had an amazing cheddar Alexander Keith soup. Lobster nachos were fantastic. And that gingerbread, the homemade gingerbread cake, like, you have to stop and try this food. It was delightful. The two-story gift shop as well that's attached is one of the largest selections of gifts and souvenirs in the province. The upper level features products supplied by local artisans, as well as books and music representing the maritime heritage.
Baba Bistro, Baba Eats, Baba Fudge, Baba Clothes.
Bubba Shops too.
Baba Shop's open.
Okay, bye, Bubba. Peggy's Cove was home for many years to marine artist and sculptor William DeGarth. In 1977, he began to sculpt the large granite cliff behind his home to depict the community fishermen and their families as a tribute to their lives and livelihood. Unfortunately, he passed away in 1983 before he was able to complete this huge project. But the Fisherman's Monument is still a great spot to visit, and the sculpture that is carved into the cliff is absolutely magnificent. It is worthwhile to stop here. I think I really like this kind of stuff, carvings into stone, just because I have family who used to do that. And it was something very unique that my family did personally. So I really like this kind of thing and would highly encourage people to stop and take a look at this beautiful monument. Okay, it's pouring rain. Tyler ran out. I made him get out in the rain and take a video of the monument that is in Peggy's Cove. And now we are going to, we keep calling it the Swiss monument. Okay, you can't search the Swiss monument on the maps. You're gonna end up in Switzerland. So you gotta search the SR111 or 111 Peggy's Cove Memorial. It's only 3 clicks away, so we're gonna go do that. We'll probably make Tyler go out in the rain again and take a video of that for you too.
Take the next left onto
The 3 sites combined make a triangular shape, which you can see here.
Let's go.
Oh, they wanted a quiet, modest memorials consistent with the coastal environment. In September 1998, Swiss Air Flight 111 crashed in the ocean off the shores of St. Margaret's Bay near Peggy's Cove. Unfortunately, all passengers were lost. One of the two sites created as a memorial to the tragedy is just across the road from the county store on the western edge of the Peggy's Cove preservation area. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to check out my Everything About Nova Scotia playlist. This will probably be a popular holiday destination for us since we have some close family that is living there. Here in this video, we just covered a quick half day in the rain at Peggy's Cove. You can see in this video here that Nova Scotia was hit with some wildfires pretty bad this year, and then later on now they've been hit with flooding, so our hearts go out to anyone who has been affected by those two things.